Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to learn that how we can install Python on our Android mobile devices. So for that we'll just go ahead and open up our Play Store, and in the search bar we'll type out Python and hit enter. Now here you can see a list of different applications that are actually associated with Python, but what we are going to do is click on the very first application, which is named as Python3, which is actually an IDE for Python 3 that we can use on Android mobile devices. So we'll hit on that application, and here you can see very basic details about this application, like this application has been downloaded for 1 million times and has 4.4 ratings. So what we'll do, we'll just go ahead and hit that install button to install it on our mobile device. Now it will take some time depending upon the internet connection that you might have. Meanwhile, I have a quick announcement to make, which is that I have designed a complete Python course for absolute beginners, which are people who don't have any idea that what is programming or what is coding, and you can get that course only for $9 on udemy.com. So I will leave the link to that course in the description of this video. What you have to do is just click on that link and get that course for just $9. Usually the price of that course is around $70, but using this coupon you will get that course just for $9. So this sounds like a great opportunity to learn Python with a very reasonable price. Now you can see that this application has been downloaded successfully, so we'll just go ahead and hit open to open up this application in our device. Now you can see this progress bar which says installing Python, which means the Python is being installed in our Android device. So this is the main page of this Python3 IDE, and here we will write our Python code. You can see on the bottom right we have a yellow play button which we will use to execute our scripts that we will write here. So to test that whether we installed our Python correctly or not, I'll just go ahead and write a very simple program. I'll take two variables. The first one is A and the second one is B, and I'll assign values to those variables, and after that I'll just go ahead and take another variable which is C, and in that third variable I'll store the value that I will get after adding the first two variables, which were previously A and B. And in the fourth line I'll just go ahead and type out print C, which actually means that just print out whatever value you get after adding A and B. Now after that I'll just go ahead and hit that play button, and if the Python is installed correctly, the program should return the answer of 51, and if not, then we'll just go ahead and figure something out in that case too. So I'll hit that play button, and we have an answer of 51, which means our Python is installed completely fine. So that is how we can install Python on our Android mobile devices. We can also go ahead and work on data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, or computer vision related projects using that same IDE that we have just installed on our Android phone. Now in the next video, I'll explain that how we can install different libraries and Python packages like NumPy, scikit, TensorFlow, or facial recognition to work in different streams of Python like data science, machine learning, or computer vision. Now if you like this video, or if you want to learn more about programming or coding in general, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also click on that bell icon so you can get the notification of every time I upload something on my YouTube channel.